Hello everybody, this is Evan with Tiny Workshop. I wanted to show this very small vise that could be used for milling. It has a flange that could be clamped down to the face of your milling machine. It's completely built aluminum, which is amazing for the price. It came from Temu. The one thing that had to be changed, in my opinion, was to bore this knurled handle, and then I machined a shaft with grooves in it to accept O-rings, just to keep it from slipping off. This works quite well. I can get a little more leverage on clamping, and it's an amazing tool now. It does have cross slots for clamping various dimension pieces, and I am quite impressed. Thanks for watching.